So we'll begin in constructive rest pose, lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, about hips width apart and parallel. Let's start with tuning into our body and our breath. Let's take an easy breath through our nose and let it go with a soft sigh. Let's do that again, breathing in and breathing out. We're just sort of clearing the way, shifting gears from our day, letting our bodies, our minds, and our nervous systems know that we're getting ready to do something just a little bit different now. And now on this next breath, let's go ahead and stretch our arms up overhead and our legs out. Just a nice, great big body yawn, getting a little longer, a little stretchier. Maybe moving through your toes and your fingers, through your wrists and your ankles, just opening things up a little. So as we lengthen out from toes to fingers, let's breathe in, maybe breathing a little bit more into your back body. And as you breathe out, bend your right knee into your chest, holding around or underneath that knee. Just give it a little squeeze towards you and stretch out through your left leg. Gently press down through the back of that left thigh. Just feel that very intentional stretch in two different directions. Now release that side. Let's inhale as we stretch everything back out nice and long. And exhale to the other side. Bend your left knee in. Again, holding around the front of or underneath that knee. And stretch out through that right leg. Just feel very gently the back of that right thigh pressing into the floor. Relaxing your shoulders. Just notice if they're creeping up here. And you just soften them down so your neck has some room to breathe. And again, let's inhale, stretch everything out nice and long. And just relax. So we're going to do that movement with our breath, connecting that into a little bit more of a rhythmic flow. You will find your own pace as we get into this. I'll get us started. So let's breathe in here. And breathe out as your right knee comes to your chest. A little squeeze. That's the pause at the end of your exhale. Inhale, stretch back out. Pausing for a heartbeat at the top. Exhale, switch to your left knee to your chest. Pause at the end of that exhale. Inhale, stretch back out. Exhale, right knee to chest. Smooth and easy. Inhale, stretch back out. Exhale, left knee to chest. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, reaching long. Exhale, right knee. Inhale, stretching out. Exhale, left knee. Let's stretch back out. Bring your right knee back into your chest and pause right there. So rather than squeezing that knee in tight this time, let it be more relaxed. In fact, place your right hand onto that knee and just let your left arm relax. So we've got about an arm's length there. So the knee is just floating a little bit away from your body. Now with that hand on your knee, begin to guide your knee around in a little circle. So this is our hip, hip, hooray. I know, it's a little silly, but it's fun. Let's go the other way. Hip, hip, hooray. Why not send an extra little bit of love into those hips today? And then release, stretch your legs out, arms overhead, and just pause. Loosey-goosey. Noticing how you feel, what that right side might feel like now. Mine feels a little more tingly and awake. Now let's breathe in again to that stretch, getting nice and long. And then bring your left knee into your chest. A little hug. Now just circling that knee around, nice and easy. So we're just moving into the hip joint, a little hip, hip, hooray. And the other way around. And let's stretch everything out from toes to fingers. And just bring your arms around and relax. So now as we press into our feet, let's lift the hips, lift the arms. And lower the hips, lower the arms. Weaving a breath. Let's inhale on the way up. Exhale on the way down. And again, in. And out. And bring your knees to your chest. Keeping knees and feet together and just circle your knees around. Feel that lovely massage for your lower back, down and around your hips, down and around your sacrum, down towards your tailbone. And then just a few circles the other direction.